Um, got a problem here with my Printrbot. I just got it a couple days ago. Got it assembled yesterday. Started getting my first couple of prints yesterday. But started noticing problems with my auto leveler. Every now and then I would notice like it wouldn't quite work, but I just, cause like me being new to this, I figured it was just me. But then I realized it was actually like having problems, and they started becoming more consistent, and eventually to the point where it just got really bad. So what happens is as I go to do prints, my X will home and my Y will home, but then it'll start doing running G29. So it'll start taking the points from here, here, and here. But with my last print, it started taking the height right here, but it wouldn't stop. Like, the Z-axis motor just kept on going and going and going, so making this whole, the whole front here just going right into there. And because of that, it made my whole front loose. I'm barely putting any pressure on. This is it when I tightened it. I re-tightened everything just before I started shooting this. And this is what it looks like when it's tightened. Right after it had dug in there, I immediately tried to go for the power cord. Couldn't reach it at first because the X was homed, so I couldn't fit my hand under there. And so it drug all the way. I don't know if you can see that very well. Drug all the way across here. That's it grinding. And it started getting right here. As it got right here, that's when I finally got the cord, unplugged it. But this entire time, the Z-axis or the auto leveler, I already calibrated that. Here, I'll show you. See, the light's off. It's already really close down. And then there, right there. See, I've got really close. It's not touching, but it's right off. I don't know if you can tell with the camera. There's a little plastic there, so it might look like it's touching, but it's not. But that's the best I could get it. But it seems to, the auto leveler seems to work fine, lit up, or not lit, manually. But as soon as it starts having to print something or run G29, it doesn't work. It'll just keep on going down, making this whole thing loose, which has really got me concerned now. I don't know how it's gonna affect my prints. But so right after I had unplugged it, I waited a minute, plugged it back in. I checked this again, made sure that it was still calibrated. It was, and then I ran G29 again, and the X and Y didn't home. It just sort of came out to the middle, and then it just went going down and down and down, and this time it didn't stop at all. It didn't come up after 2 or 3 seconds. It just kept going and going and going and going. This thing got really loose, and then I tightened it after, and this is the best I could get it. So I don't know if anyone else is having this problem. I think my auto leveler might be broke. I don't know if it might be the software. I don't know what it is. If any of you know, put it in the comments below, because I'm stumped, and I don't want to print until this gets fixed and resolved, because I don't want to have my Printrbot broken just 2 days after getting it working. So thanks everyone.